Hello kids, welcome to the class. So today we are going to learn the topic how to find the value of an expression.
Of course, it is not about the facial expression.
But yes, it is about algebraic expression. So watch the video till the end. So this topic I am going to explain you with the help of an example. The first example over here will be m minus 2. Okay, this is an expression that you can see over here, which is m minus 2, where the value of m they have given is 2. Okay, now this is an expression, m minus 2 is an expression, and they have mentioned that the value of m is 2. So what you are supposed to do over here is you are going to simply put the value of m in the given expression. That is, instead of m, now you will be writing 2. Why? Because that is the value given for m. So 2, and what is left here? 2. So 2 minus 2 will be nothing but 0. So this is what you have to do to find the value of an expression. Simple like this. Now I'll take one more question. The question is 4p minus 7, where the value of p is given as minus 2. Okay, minus 2 is the value given for p. So what you are going to do is you are going to simply put the value of p. Instead of p, you are going to write minus 2. Okay, so 4 will be as it is. P will become minus 2 minus 7. Okay, now here you have to remember that when you are solving questions with regards to algebraic expression or equation, here you will be using the concept of integers too. Okay, so here what you observe, you are seeing that over here 4 is a positive number and minus 2 is a negative number. Correct? So you remember the rule of integers? When there is a positive number and a negative number and you have to multiply between them, then what happens is you will simply first go and multiply the number. First ignore all the signs and multiply. 4 into 2. 4 into 2 gives me 8. And since one number over here is a negative number, the sign will be minus. That is, the product will be a negative number. So I got minus 8. Minus 7 will be as it is. Okay, now again apply the rule of integers. Minus 8. Minus 8 is a negative number. Minus 7. Now here in integer you will remember I have explained you in the integers video that when you see a number like 7 and before that there is any sign, be it plus or minus, that sign goes with that number. So over here what you observe, it is minus 7. So that minus belongs to number 7. So now negative and negative, what you have to do when you have to do an operation between two negative numbers, like whether you have to do addition or subtraction, depends on the type of number. So since you have two negative number, you are going to use the operation of addition. Very good. So first ignore the signs and do the addition. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 gives you what? Count fast. Very good. It is 15. And since both are negative number, you are going to put the sign of minus only. So here you get answer as minus 15. So the value of 4p minus 7, where the value of p is minus 2, will be minus 15. Okay. Okay. So this is the third question, last question of this video, where you can see that there is a long expression given to you, and the value of a and b is given. So what I am going to do first is I am going to substitute the value in this given expression. So 2a will be minus 1, minus 2, b will be minus 2, minus 4, minus 5, plus it is a, so it will be minus 1. Now apply the rule of integers also. 2 into minus 1. 2 into minus 1 gives me minus 2. Now here you observe that it is minus 2. So in the previous question I have explained that if you see any sign in front of a given number, so that sign goes with that number. So since it is minus, so it will be minus 2, negative number. So negative number into again minus 2, negative number gives you positive number. So first you will do multiplication and you will put the sign of positive, that is plus. So 2 2s are 4 and plus 4. Now minus 4 will be as it is, minus 5 will be as it is, and this is plus and this is minus, so you will just write minus 5. Okay, now what you will be doing is you will be again using the rule of integers and solving it. First, let's solve this. Minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4. What you will do? You will carry out the operation of subtraction and put the sign of a big number. When you see such, confusing, so many, signs plus and minus again and again, and it is very confusing. So what you do? Solve one by one. First, focus on the first part. Minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 gives me plus 2. I did the subtraction and put the sign of a big number, which is 4. Now, minus 4, minus 5, minus 1. Now, solve this 2. Okay, first we solve this and now solve this 2. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4, 1 is positive, 1 is negative. I'll do the operation of subtraction and put the sign of a big number. So first carry out subtraction. 2 minus 4 means 4 minus 2 gives me 2. And which is the bigger number? 4. So I'll put the sign of 4. Minus 5, minus 1. Now solve this 2. Minus 2, minus 5. Both are negative numbers. So which operation I'm going to carry out? Perfect. It is addition. So first add it. 2 plus 5 gives me 7. And which sign I'm going to put? Negative. Why? Because it is a sign of a bigger number, which is 5. So minus. And again minus 1. Now here it is simple. Last, minus 7, minus 1. Again same number, that is two negative numbers. So I am going to add and put the sign of a big number, which is minus. So this will be the answer for the given expression. So I hope you have understood this. If yes, do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.